October 2021, I contacted my friends Roy and Rita who live in Spildra, Norway, and I said, hey, Cole and I are looking for an adventure. Do you have some room for us to come hang out with you guys and dive with some whales and dive with some orcas? And they said absolutely. So Cole and I went over to Spildra, Norway, and we spent 2 magical weeks hanging out with Roy and Rita at their lodge and going out diving with them and going whale watching and diving with orcas and just having the most incredible time. We helped them run the pub for a couple weeks and saw northern lights almost every single night. The only footage I have from that trip is on my cell phone and it's all vertical, so I apologize in advance. This is going to be my last video that's vertical, I promise you. But I wanted to share what an incredible time we had and just give you insight into one of my favorite places in the world, which is Spildra, Norway. So please enjoy this video and bear with me that it's all in vertical, but coming up here, more content, all done in the right format. So hope you enjoy it, and if you want to visit Norway, contact me. I'd be happy to set you up with a trip of a lifetime with Roy and Rita. Enjoy! So I just want to document this moment because it's really funny. We made it! And they want to check our luggage for free. I don't know if you can tell because I have the mask on, but I'm smiling! We were recruited for underwater rugby.
Slightly aggressive cuddling.
Slightly aggressive cuddling.
Put your gear on.
You look great.
Ready to go.
Good morning from Spildra. Here we go.
Ready to go diving?
Cheers! I found Roy. Key West boy does Norway. Little pre-dive prep. Day 2, and we have a pod of orcas right behind us. big. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi guys. Ah! Hi guys. Hi babies. Oh my goodness. So cool. It's so cool. Hi orcas. Hi orcas. All right, geared up and ready to jump in the water. Roy is about to put us on him so we can go have an underwater orca encounter. Woo! We just dove with so many orcas and there were humpbacks and my face is totally frozen. But we were having an amazing time. They're right behind us. Add it to the bucket list. This is insane. We couldn't go out today because of the freezing ice and swell, and it's like negative something right now and it feels it. We're just walking and we're frozen. Oof, my hand's gonna fall off just taking this video. Northern Lights.
All the layers.
We got about a half a meter of snow last night, but it finally stopped snowing and we no longer have freezing winds and it is calm, so we're gonna go out and see if we can find something, orcas or fish or humpbacks or something exciting. So here we go. Oh, and we get to take the chameleon, so we're being spoiled again.
This is cool.
Literally. Fishing with Roy. Who will be first? I caught my first cod in Norway and it's pretty big. I'm pretty pretty pumped about this one. And Cole has a fish on. Hell yeah.
Only has one little chin hair.
Yeah. That's a proper cod.
92 meters down?
Oh, yeah.
Nice and easy on the lift. There it is.
Oh yeah, no sharks.
No sharks here. I guess there's some sharks, but they're blind. Nice job. We're on the cods. Woo! Big one on deck. 2 in the bucket. So what do you think, Steph?
I mean, I think this is a big fish. But I'm not gonna let it win. Something like this. Oh, it's
Holy cod! Ho 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 ho! Big one! Hold him up, Roy! Oh my goodness, Steph, get in there! That's a big one! Holy smokes!
halibut boat. I'm sure he did better than us. 60 kilo. Wow.
Yeah.
That's a big halibut. Holy moly.
Lot of small.
Okay, like this. Just put this on the towelist. To here. Get it to there.
Oh wow.
Piece of towel.
What?
So this time of year in Norway, there's only about 3 hours of daylight, and when it's too windy to go on the boat, we want to maximize our time in the daylight. So we decided to go for a hike today.
Collecting snow.
Check out this view. So pretty. Oh my goodness! I don't know why I trust Roy with these things. And Cole's in the back, just carrying the luggage. Check out our sled! That was awesome. Wait, are you taking me down here? Ah! Oh my god! Wow, Roy, you're actually good at driving this thing. Woo! Bye, children! Okay, how do you stop?
Oh, there it crashed.
That was awesome. Thanks for the Uber. Bye! Mwah. Miss you guys already?
We left too soon.
Once we were back in Tromsø, we met up with our friends from the Arctic Spearfishing Club again, and they invited us to stay on their awesome monohull sailboat for the night. And we're super pumped because they offered to take us spearfishing today, and it's only daylight hours, like 3 to 4 hours a day, so it's gonna be pretty dark. We're gonna have some torches, and it's negative 10 degrees outside, just over freezing in the water. So wish us luck. Here's the boat we're taking spearfishing tonight for a night dive in Norway.
I thought it could be like ice all over it and just frozen.
Oh, good thing it's warm today. Arctic spearfishing trying their new weapon. Yes! Yes! She killed that pillow! When we left Norway, we invited our friends from Norway to come visit us in the Bahamas and come diving and spearfishing with us. And just 3 short months later, they came and joined us on my boat, C'est La Vie, in the Bahamas, and I actually got to use a pole spear for the first time. So check out my videos of my Norway friends in the Bahamas to see how they did. Thanks so much for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and see you again soon.